Okay, so I'm making today's video with the help of my little chibi character I call Mini Me. If you want to know a little bit more about this character, I did a video where he was in not too long ago, but that's not what we're talking about this video. Today we are talking about the iPhone 16 Pro, and whether or not I think I am going to buy it. Now, this is not necessarily one of those whether I think you should buy it or not videos, but with that in mind, maybe you will have some of the reasons why I'm not buying it for yourself. Okay, so first of all, let's look at the Pro. Okay, we know that it's going to have, let's actually click here, iPhone 16. Okay, so we know that it's going to have different colors. We know that it's going to have Apple Intelligence, or AI for short. We know that Apple AI is going to be cool and stuff. I believe Apple AI only, is 15 or higher. Could be 16 or higher, not entirely sure. But we do know that you guys have at least the iPhone 16 to take full advantage of Apple AI. So Apple AI is something I'm personally giving up on for now, which is, if I don't get the 16 rather, which is, I don't know if it's a pro or con. I guess it's a con. We're putting the con category, but I don't really know too much about Apple Intelligence to actually, yes, I'm excited by it, but I don't think I'm excited enough to go out and buy the iPhone 16 Pro yet. Okay? Now, I could just decide to buy it at one point. I probably will at some point when I need to, but I don't think I'm in any hurry to get it right now. Camera system, well, I'll be honest, I don't use my camera as much as you'd think. The only time I really use the camera is when family or friends are like, hey, take a picture. Then I somehow become the designated picture taker, and then I have to send my photo to all my friends and family that I took on my phone and stuff. Yeah, but other than that, I don't take a lot of pictures. I don't even record video a lot with my phone. The most I'll do recording wise, I might record some game I'm playing on my phone, but that doesn't really use the cameras like that. Okay, so it also said photographic style. That's pretty cool. Filters option. Lock in your look. Now I do like the fact that apparently it's going to be able to change stuff based on how your lock screen is and whatnot. So that's pretty cool. Okay, let's actually do this. Okay, I have the iPhone 14 Pro. Oh, okay. So since this is the regular 16 and not the 16 Pro, it's not giving me the option for the 14 Pro. So let's just do 14 right now. Okay, so the 16 base, it says it's up to 50% faster than the 14 base. Okay, so let's say, for example, someone bought the 15, because the 15 in my eyes is essentially the 14 Pro, but with a slightly newer thingamabob. So let's see. Okay, so basically my phone could be roughly around 30% faster if I decide to get the 16 Pro. Okay, that's not bad. And let's see, new MagSafe charger. Oh, okay. See, that's the thing. I feel like that because I have a Pro, that page isn't exactly, gathered towards me, or some of it. Okay, this is what I was talking about, the customization option. So, I believe this is an Apple Intelligence feature. I mean, it could be on all iOS 18, but I think it's more of a Apple Intelligence feature. I could be wrong. Basically, what it is doing is your lock screen, it's letting you change the icon colors and stuff based on the look of your lock screen. So that's pretty cool. I do like that idea. That is, again, I'm not sure if it's worth getting a new one yet. I said yet. Because the thing is, I have okay, let's go to Pro exactly, okay? And we'll see if it actually gives us the options we're looking for. Okay, so these are all the Pros. I'd get this, black, space black, whatever they want to call it. Okay, black titanium. That's what I would get. Strength Beauty Titanium. Titanium. Okay, titanium is cool. Okay, splash water dust resistant, the latest ceramic shield material that's 2 times tougher than any smartphone glass. Okay, Apple AI. That's what we're talking about. Productivity, new era for Siri. We saw this on the base iPhone. Yeah, we saw this on the base iPhone 16. Okay. Oh, 4K 120 FPS. Okay. That does seem pretty cool. Again, I don't really use the things like that, but it is nice to have. Okay. Also, I'm wondering how that translates for gaming. Speaking of gaming, well, the reason I'm speaking of gaming, because I imagined it in my head because, mini-me that's on the screen right now, as you're seeing. Yeah. That's usually for when I am streaming and playing games and stuff. Okay, so here we are. The A18 Pro chip. We're going to compare it with the 14 Pro. Okay. I thought so. Just like, yeah. Up to 30% faster. Up to 40% faster. Okay. Okay, here we go. So this is what, gameplay and stuff? Gaming in a whole new light. With up to 2 times faster hardware, accelerated ray tracing. A18 Pro makes games look and feel beautiful, lifelike, with more fluid graphics and realistic lighting. In game mode with iOS 18, you'll get better sustained frame rates for continuous play and improved responsiveness if you're using wireless controllers and AirPods. Okay. Okay. Up to 2 times faster hardware accelerated ray tracing. Up to 4 hours of battery life. Okay. Okay, that's not bad. Actually, I am very curious. How many of you guys do this is probably my favorite feature. Like I said, it customizes the icon based on your lock screen. If you're into that, if you're not, you can turn that feature off. So, yeah. But back to my question. How many of you guys are interested in the idea of gaming on your iPad? Do you game on your iPad? Or rather iPhone. I don't know why I said iPad. I said iPad, then I wanted to say iPhone, then I said iPad again. Because I actually do game a little bit on my iPad, but we're not talking iPads here. We're talking iPhone. Particularly, do you guys game on your iPhone? If so, how often do you do it? Is it just while waiting for an appointment, waiting for, some kind of transportation to get there when you're bored and have nothing to do? Or are you a very, very, very big gamer on your phone? Like you're like, oh, I have to have my iPhone to play game that's gotten so bad that I have to set aside a certain time where I can't play it, otherwise my phone battery will die. Is that where you're at? I'd love to know your thoughts. Also, with that said, do you watch a lot of shows on your iPhone as well? So, yeah. So, I'm not saying that I'll never get the iPhone 16 Pro, okay? Because there might be a world where I do. But for now, I have the iPhone 14 Pro. And for now, that is doing pretty well for me. I believe the screen is a little bit bigger on the 16 Pro than the 14 Pro. So that's one of those things, but I think it's okay. I think it's fully okay. The nits brightness on the 14 Pro are still real good for me. I believe it had the same IP rating. Apple Intelligence I'm probably missing out on, but I don't really know if, I mean, I care, but I'm not sure if it's the sole reason why I want to upgrade. Although, if I'm being completely honest, if I do end up upgrading, it's probably for Apple Intelligence, as crazy as that sounds. It's probably for Apple Intelligence, because I'll be honest, I'm not entirely sure if Apple Intelligence is available on the 14 or not. I think okay. Apple Intelligence is compatible with the devices. No, it's not compatible with the 14. So if I do upgrade, it's for Apple Intelligence, okay? Other stuff will be the bonus, okay? Because I do, if I'm being honest, we'll see how well it's, integrated. But I honestly do feel like Apple Intelligence might be real good because of the fact that Apple okay, so my iPad will, I'll get to check out Apple Intelligence on my iPad. I have an iPad Pro M1, so that's cool actually. That is very cool. I'll be able to check it out on and I'll see if it's a feature that I can't live without, that I love the idea of, that I constantly want, that I need, all that jazz. Because I feel like if implemented right, it could be very good. But, I'd like to reserve judgment And this video had gone on for a long time. It's me just rambling. If any of you guys made it to the end of the video, definitely let me know, okay? And if you're interested in seeing how I like Apple Intelligence on apparently my iPad Pro when it comes out, definitely let me know that as well. And if you made it to the end, I truly appreciate you. Thank you so much. I know my rambling must have got kind of crazy, but with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.